You're watching How Leap. Let's find out if competitors are eating into your business. First, conduct a SWOT analysis. Write down your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, focusing on competitor actions as threats. Second, use Google Alerts. Set up free alerts for your competitors' names, products, and your own brand to see what's being said online. Third, analyze your sales data. Look for declines in specific products, services, or customer segments and check if a competitor is strong in that area. Fourth, use competitor analysis tools. Platforms like SEMrush or SimilarWeb show you their website traffic, keywords, and online ads. Finally, talk to your customers, conduct surveys or interviews asking why they chose you and if they considered anyone else. Their answers provide direct insight. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.